If you're planning to remodel or build a new dental office, do you want to do the whole thing over again in just a few years? Of course you don't. Hey, planning for a new dental office or any type of major remodeling can make or break the future success of a practice. So, do you want to make the right decisions the first time, or join the large group of doctors who wish they hadn't made such costly mistakes? My name is Dr. Mark Tholen, an award-winning dental office design expert with over 30 years of experience designing as well as managing the construction of dental offices all over the United States and Canada. I'm the principal instructor of the popular dental office design seminar, Inspiring Success. Here's the problem. Many doctors underestimate what size office they need, including the number of ops required to sustain growth and efficiency. And when a practice outgrows its production needs, then it's back to square one of planning for a new office. The hard truth is that most dentists base their decisions for their new practice on unsubstantiated claims and not on having the right team to help them through the tough business decisions. This is when the unexpected occurs. Big questions arise, and maybe most importantly, costly mistakes happen. That's why I've built this 13-module course to help you understand the 6 key principles of dental office design that are rooted in 25 years of research and superior results. In this short and very digestible video series, you're going to be able to understand the critical steps and the direction for any dental office building or remodel project you would undertake. It's going to be able to save time for you in developing the process and eliminating wondering if you're making the right decisions. And you're going to be able to save a tremendous amount of money because you're no longer to engage in costly design mistakes that are going to result in change orders. And finally, it's going to help you make decisions that will help increase patient satisfaction and potentially increase your future production by 38% year over year for several years. I believe the perfect dental office should be a well-oiled machine that increases your productivity and grows with you. It should increase your production while decreasing the stress levels for you and your staff. And, of course, it should be a warm and welcoming place for your patients. Please let me help you make the right decisions the first time. Register today to watch the first module at no charge. Click the link to register now.